How to add bank account to Uphold. If you're looking to link your bank account to your Uphold profile, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in. The first step is to log in to your Uphold account. Once you've entered your login credentials, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Next, find the Settings section, which should be located in the main menu or on your account dashboard. Click on Settings to proceed. Step 3. Add funding method. Within the Settings section, look for the Funding Methods option. Click on Funding Methods to open the list of available methods. Step 4. Choose Add Bank Account. Under the list of funding methods, you should see an option to add bank account. Select this option to begin the process of linking your bank account to your Uphold wallet. Step 5. Use bank login credentials. After selecting Add Bank Account, you'll likely have the choice to use bank login credentials. Opt for this option and proceed to the next step. Step 6. Review PLAD requirements. Make sure to carefully review the PLAD requirements that may be displayed. These requirements are typically related to the secure connection between Uphold and your bank account. Once you've reviewed the information, select Continue to move forward. Step 7. Follow on-screen instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your bank's login credentials, ensuring that the information is accurate and up to date. Uphold uses a secure connection to link your bank account securely. Step 8. Complete bank account addition. After you've input the necessary information, Uphold will proceed to verify and link your bank account. This process may take a few moments, so please be patient. We hope this guide helped you successfully add your bank account to your Uphold wallet. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to Uphold's customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.